Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix framework bugs with Laravel step by step clearly. Identifying the framework bug is the first step in resolving it. Begin by reviewing the error messages you receive. Check the Laravel logs located in the storage/logs directory. This will give you insight into the nature of the bug. Once you've identified the issue, replicate it in a controlled environment. This ensures you won't disrupt a live application while testing solutions. Start debugging your code. Use Laravel's built-in debugging tools like the Telescope or Debug Bar. These tools provide real-time data about your application. Next, isolate the specific code segment causing the issue. This will help focus your troubleshooting efforts. Look for common mistakes in syntax or misconfigured settings. Use the PHP Artisan command line tool to run tests. This can help identify issues in routes, configurations, or migrations. If the bug persists, consult the Laravel documentation. The documentation is extensive and covers many common problems. Look for solutions on community forums or Stack Overflow. Sharing your issue may lead to valuable insights from other developers. Consider rolling back recent updates if the bug occurred after a change. Sometimes, an update may introduce compatibility issues. If applicable, check third-party packages for updates or known issues. Make sure all dependencies are compatible with your version of Laravel. Once you have made code adjustments, clear the cache. Run the command php artisan config cache. This ensures that any changes you've made take effect immediately. Test your application thoroughly after applying fixes. Verify that the bug is resolved and that no new issues have emerged. Document the bug and the solution for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.